Hey guys, welcome back to the Notes 10 video. Guys, in this video we will discuss when you try to port your Apple account and password, you may face this type of error that verification failed, your Apple account or password is incorrect. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just click here on OK, and guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection, and if there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. After that, you may click here on forget your password, and then guys, you may put your email address or your Apple account. So you may write here your Apple ID and then click here on continue. Then here you may put this phone number that is ending with 333. So you may put your phone number here. So I am putting my phone number. So after that, a verification code will be sent to this phone number. Put that here. So after putting that verification code, you may check your phone number is verifying. So here you may enter your other your older iPhone passcode. So now put your new password for your Apple account here. After putting your new password, you may click here on continue. So you may check your password has been changed. Now you may click here on done, and now you may check you are signing in your Apple account and your password has been changed, and now you may check your problem has been fixed. Now you may click here on agree and your Apple account will be signed in here easily. So click here. So now you may check my Apple account password has been changed and this account has been logged in easily. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.